how to send Robux to friends. So if you want to give Robux to your friends, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox. So you can open the application or you can also go with your browser. So I'll be here with my browser and you need to search for Roblox. Once you've searched, go for the first search and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, here go for the create option. Under the create, you need to simply go for dashboard and here you will have your creations, right? So you need to click on it and then here on the left side you will have a bunch of options. You just need to go for the passes and under the passes you need to create a pass. So for example, I have already created a pass, right? But if you want to create a pass, just simply click on create a pass and you can simply enter the name, the description, and you can also add some Robux to it. So I have already added a pass. Once you've added the pass, go for the upper right which has that three dots and then go for open in new tab. And once you're here, I have not added any Robux to it, right? But you can add the Robux. So you can add 50 Robux or 100 Robux, anything that you're comfortable with. To add the Robux, what you need to do is you just need to go for the pass and right click or double click on the pass, and here you will have sales option. Click on sales and then you need to enter the price. So for example, you need to enter 100 or 50. So click on item for sale and then you need to enter the price. So for example, I'll be choosing 100. And once you choose the 100, now here you can see that you will only get 70 because 30% will be taken by the Roblox. And once you enter the 100, now click on save changes and your Robux has been added. And once you've added the Robux, now go back and here you will have the pass, right? So you need to simply right click on the pass and go for open in new tab. And once you're here you will have the price, the type of pass, and the type of item owned, right? So what you need to do is you just need to copy the link which you have right here. So simply copy the link and you need to send that link to your friends, whether it's through the email or messages or anything that you're comfortable with. You need to send that to your friends. And once you've sent, if the other person taps on that link, then it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have a buy option. As you can see that all you have to do is just click on the buy, and once you click on buy, here you will have buy Robux, an item. Just click on Robux and send them the Robux. So now keep in mind that Roblox will take the 30% as I've said you earlier. So you will get only the 70%. So you will get 70 Robux instead of 100. So that's the best way you can send Robux to your friends on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.